Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. Few days ago, I just broke a 210 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And yeah, basically, this is June 16th, 2025, and this is going to be day 343 of consistently helping people build consistency. So let me ask you one question. Why did you click on this video in the first place? Why do you choose to watch this video? Well, I think the answer is pretty simple. You saw the thumbnail, right? And you see, like, you expect that I'm going to be giving you guys some practical tips on how to actually be consistent at positive things, doing positive things like exercising and studying and meditating and lots of other things. Well, first of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to do better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. But I'm going to be telling you guys one answer why you cannot be consistent at doing something. It is simply because you do not appreciate yourself for doing the thing. Okay? So notice you expect so much from yourself. Okay? You expect yourself to be consistent this, consistent that. Oh yeah, you want it to be consistent at exercising, consistent at studying, and you are struggling right now. And you wanted to learn from this video how to actually be consistent, right? Meaning you have the expectation to be consistent to yourself. But ask yourself, every single time you actually manage to fulfill the expectation, every single time you actually put in the effort and the time and the energy to actually do the thing that you knew you should be doing, do you really say thank you to yourself? Well, here's the thing. Because if you do not make yourself feel appreciated for doing the right thing, well, the probability that you are going to stick to doing that thing on the future is going to be lower. Because, hey, why do something if people don't care about the thing that you do? And especially that particular someone is you yourself. Listen to me. You deserve to say thank you. You deserve to say thank you to yourself. Your, you yourself deserve a thank you every single time you actually manage to do your thing. Thank you for actually caring about your life. So basically, how to stay consistent at doing something. Basically, say thank you every single time you manage to do your thing. Genuinely, okay? Don't only say it as a formality. Actually, say thank you because you deserve the thank you. Feel from the bottom of your heart, okay? So the thing that you wanted to be doing is basically create on a small commitment, maybe like 5 minutes of reading a book every single day, 5 minutes of stretching every single day. But every single time you actually manage to do the thing, just feel it and say thank you to yourself because you deserve it. And the probability of you sticking to this something to repeat the same behavior in the future is going to be higher because you feel like, hey, somebody actually care about the thing that I do. So that's how you stay consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, you can support me by subscribing, commenting, and also dropping a like. It will really be meaningful for me. And for today's day authenticity post, today's June 16th, 2025, and memes are post today. Monday again, post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.